My name is Dr. Bharat Latthe. I'm a family physician. I've been having this problem with both my hips for last almost 40 years. It's been getting more and more difficult getting in and out of the car, sitting in the car for a long time, taking my rounds in the hospital. So luckily, one of my colleagues recommended that I should try this new procedure. The recommendation came to go for SuperPath surgery. So I did some research on that. I was convinced that that's the way I wanted to go. The main thing that impressed me was the surgeon does not cut any muscles. Any muscle, once it's cut, it never comes back to the normal functionality, no matter how hard you try. And I could feel it when I was recovering, that yes, my muscles were there with me. Well, I had prepared my staff and my patients. I said, be prepared that I may not come to work for 1 month. But day 14, they were all surprised. I was surprised myself. But just the fact that day 14 after hip surgery, I was going and taking rounds and seeing my patients. After the first surgery, I knew my left hip also had to be done. And the second surgery was actually better than the first one because I think my body was well tuned to that. So I was ready for the second surgery mentally and physically. I was actually started swimming after that, 40 laps every day.
Wow, feels good.
Every day I'm getting better, climbing up and down the stairs. You know, I can go up and down the stairs 10 times without any difficulty. Maybe one of these days I'll go climbing some mountains. Yoga is supposed to be a happy experience, so it was becoming painful experience. Now I'm doing my yoga. I can do a lot in a very relaxed way and stretch my body, so that helps me. Psychologically, I'm positive about doing things. So now I feel that, hey, there's nothing that I cannot do and want to do everything.